Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about line graphs and what is a line graph and other things that are relatable to line graphs. So get ready to embark on an incredible mathematical journey towards mastering line graphs. This exciting adventure will equip you with all the skills you need to dominate line graphs with confidence and ease. Are you ready to elevate your graphing game? Let's dive in. Today's topic is all about mastering line graphs, a mathematical journey. So let's get started. Our agenda for today is introduction, what is a line graph, different kinds of graphs, how to create a line graph, tips for creating a line graph, interpreting line graphs, common mistakes to avoid, and conclusion. Line graphs are an essential tool in mathematics for representing and analyzing data. They allow us to easily visualize trends and patterns over time or across different variables. Whether you're a student, researcher, or business professional, understanding line graphs is crucial for making informed decisions based on data. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of line graphs, including what they are, how to create them, and how to interpret them. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a solid understanding of line graphs and be able to use them confidently in your own work. What is a line graph? A line graph is a type of chart that displays data as a series of points connected by straight lines. They are commonly used to show changes in data over time, but can also be used to compare different variables or groups. For example, a line graph could be used to track the stock price of multiple companies over the course of a year. Line graphs typically have two axes: the horizontal axis, representing the independent variables such as time, and the vertical axis representing the dependent variables such as price. Each point on the graph represents a specific data value, and the lines connecting the points show the overall trend of the data. Different kinds of graphs. There are different kinds of graphs and they have different uses. First is a bar graphs. These types of graphs are useful for showing the comparison between classes or groups. A bar graph consists of vertical bars and the height of the bars represents the value being measured. Line graphs. These are graphs show the relationship between two variables over time, and the graph is made up of a series of points connected by a line. Line graphs are useful for displaying trends over a period. Pie charts. Pie charts are circular in shape and show the distribution of values among various categories. The size of each slice represents the portion of the whole, with each slice representing the percentage of the total. Stack area graph. A stack area graph is a type of chart that displays the evolution of the value of several groups on the same graphic. How to create a line graph. Creating a line graph involves several steps. First, you need to select the data that you want to represent on the graph. This could be anything from stock prices to temperature readings to test scores. Once you have your data, you need to choose an appropriate scale for each axis. The scale should allow you to clearly see the trend of the data without compressing or stretching it too much. Next, you will plot the points on the graph using the chosen scales. Make sure each scale point is accurately represented and labeled with its corresponding value. Finally, connect the points with straight lines to show the overall trend of the data. You may also want to add a title and label to the axis to provide context for the graph. Here's an example of a line graph. It's about a temperature change. You can see the y-axis and the x-axis. So right now we're gonna try to identify it and answer some few questions on the next slide. You can pause this video or you can rewind it back again. So in this slide here, it shows the answers from the previous slides questions. You can double check your answer and you can see if it's wrong or correct. But it's okay if you get wrong because you can learn from it.
Multiplication and division, LCM. RGCF. Come on, let's go with different bar graphs, perimeters and areas of irregular figures. MDAS, GEMDAS, and AGONSA. We can answer through the day, 'cause math is fun. Follow me on the road to success, to make our